اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Okay, start please. اعوذ باللہ.
ألف.
اعوذ باللہ
Okay.
before starting.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف با تا سا جيم ها خا دال سال را ظا سين شين صاد ضاد طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو ها حمزة يا.
Oh, mashallah, 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 nice. Nice reading. Alhamdulillah, you are reading very nice. Good, good. About supplication, hadith, one time read.
Supplication is worship.
Nice. Supplication is about in way.
Do not envy one another.
Okay, mashallah, you are reading very good. Alhamdulillah, I'm very happy from your reading.
What is this?
Wait, please. Okay, your favorite letter from the alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, all letters. From all letters.
What's my favorite letter? My favorite letter is Hamza.
Hamza. Okay. Okay.
Hamza.
Hamza. Okay. Okay. Wait. Hamza. It's Hamza. What is this letter? In black color. Can you looking my whiteboard?
Yep, I'm looking.
Okay. Now I will. It's Hamza. Okay. From some letters, one letter. This. Okay. This one letter. And what is this sign? Fatah. Fatah. Okay. Fatah.
So
Its name Fatah. When will come top of any letter this sign, then you will read Fatah. Hamza Fatah. Ah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. This one Hamza. This one
Hamza.
Hamza. Hamza. This one Hamza. Okay. And what is the red letter?
The red letter?
This one, this one, red sign
Oh, that one?
is fatah.
What the?
Fatah.
Trying to see the photo. Wait, I'm trying to see it, but
Can you see my whiteboard?
yep. No, I can see it now.
Yeah.
I see it.
In black color, this one Hamza, name Hamza, and upper red color
Fatah.
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 Hamza Fatah. Okay, it's simple Hamza. Okay, and extra sign top of the Hamza. When will come, then you will read this Fatah. Fatah. Okay, Fatah. What
Okay.
sign coming top of the Hamza? Fatah.
Fatah.
Fatah. Hamza Fatah Ah. Hamza Fatah Ah. You can repeat sometime.
Hamza. Fatah. Ah. 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 Hamza. Fatah. Hamza. Fatah. Hamza. Fatah. Hamza. Fatah. Ah. Hamza. Fatah. 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 Hamza. Fatah.
Okay, mashallah. Very nice. You are reading very nice. Alhamdulillah. Now we will. Here is razor. Where? This one. Okay. My favorite word is. What's my favorite word?
Hamza. Fatah.
No. My favorite word is meme.
Meme.
This one meme. Okay. Top of meme. Which sign we will type?
Fatah.
Oh, meme Fatah Ma. Say meme Fatah Ma. Meme sound mixed. Okay. Understand?
Understands.
What
Yep.
understand? Meme Fatah.
Yep.
Meme. You are not reading with me. Why?
Meme. Fatah.
Ma. Meme Fatah Ma.
Meme. Fatah. Ma.
Repeat it.
Meme. Fatah. Ma. Meme. Fatah. Ma. Meme.
Meme Fatah Ma.
Meme. Fatah. Ma. Meme. Fatah. Ma. Meme. Fatah. Ma. Meme. Fatah. Ma. Meme. Fatama.
Okay,
Meme.
next your favorite color, tell me. Sorry, color no, letter. For example, ba.
My other favorite
Ba.
is wow. Wow.
Wow. Okay, wow. This one, wow. And what sign we will type top of the wow?
Fata.
Fata. Wow, fata. Va.
Ah.
Va.
Wow.
Wow, fata.
Wow.
Wow, fata. Va.
Wow.
Wow, fata. Va. Repeat it sometime. Meme
Wow.
fata.
Fata.
Meme fata.
Meme. I mean ma.
Wow fata.
Wow.
Ba fata.
Ah.
Ba fata ba.
Oh, okay. Ah. Fata.
Wow fata.
Wow. Fata. Wow.
Jim fata. Ja. Kaf fata. Ka. Sheen fata. Sha. Ya fata. Ya.
Ya.
Understand?
Fata.
I think you
Yeah.
understand rule. What rule? Rule is fata. Our lesson only fata. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Fata. Fata on which side will come? Top of the any letter. When will come fata? Then you will read that alif fata a, ba fata ba, kaf fata ka. I think you understand now. Can you see my screen?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay. We will try this fata. Okay. Fata is this one. Fata will come top of letter. Okay, we are starting. Alif fata
Alif Fata.
a. Alif
Ah.
fata a. Okay.
Alif Fata.
Ba fata ba.
Ba Fata. Ah.
No.
I mean ba.
Look on the
Ba.
lesson. What is I am typing? What thing I am
Fata.
typing? Fata. Where? Okay. Now blue color. Look carefully
Okay.
on lesson. Where I type fata?
On Alif.
Alif fata a.
Alif Fata. Ah.
Now
Which one?
now where fata?
Ba Fata.
Ba fata.
Ba Fata. Ba.
Yeah. Where I am typing fata now? Look.
Ta.
Ta fata.
Ta Fata.
Tha. Tha fata ta.
Ah. Ta
Ta.
Fata. Ta.
And where typing I am fata now?
Sa.
Yeah. Tha fata. Sa. Sa
Ta
fata.
Fata. Sa.
Yeah. Where typing I am fata now?
Jim.
Jim fata.
G.
Ja. Jim fata ja. Tha fata tha. Ba fata ba. Where I am typing fata now?
Ha. Ha.
Ha fata.
Ha. Ha Fata.
Ha.
Ha. Ha Fata. Ha.
And next one kha fata.
Ha Fata. Ha.
Nice. Kha fata.
Ha Fata. Ha.
Nice. Dal fata.
Dal Fata. Dal.
Nice. Dal fata da. Okay. Next one. Zal fata.
Zal Fata. Za.
Nice. And next one ra fata.
Ra Fata. Ra.
Good. And next one za fata.
Za Fata. Za.
Oh, nice. Sin fata.
Zim.
سین فتح
Okay.
سین فتح سا
Sin fatha
سین فتح سا شین فتح نیکسٹ
shin
فتح شا نیکسٹ ون صاد فتح
sad fatha sa
اینڈ داد فتح
dad fatha da.
Oh, wow, mashallah, nice. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, top of any letter, fatah now. Okay, repeat it now with fatah all letters after dot.
Okay.
Twa fatah.
Wait, the iPad is on 6. The device is on 6.
No, from this letter start. What is this? Twa fatah.
Da fatha da.
Good. Twa fatah. Twa. Next one.
Zwa
Fatah. Zwa.
zwa.
Next.
Ain fatha hey.
And fatah a.
Gain fatha hey hey. And fa fatha a is fa. Wait, what's happening to the iPad? Which one? Okay. Ka fatha ka. Kaf fatha ka. Lam fatha la.
Nice, mashallah.
Mim fatha ma.
Good.
Noon fatha na. Waw fatha wa. Ha fatha ha. Hamza fatha
A.
ha.
Hamza fatah a.
Ah. Ya fatha
Yeah.
ya.
From the twa again.
My device is on 5 because when Nadine had it, it was low.
What?
I said my device is on low because when Nadine had it, it was low.
My voice coming correct?
Yeah, your voice is coming correct.
Okay. Mashallah, you are reading very well. Good. From the twa again read. Fatah letters. All fatah letters. Repeat please.
Wa fatha
Twa. Okay, from the last letter go to beginning. From the ya.
ya fatha
Ya.
ya.
Ya fatah ya.
Hamza fatha
Hamza fatah a.
ha fatha ha. Waw fatha wa. Noon fatha nu.
Nun
Na.
fatah na.
Mim fatha ma. Lam fatha la. Kaf fatha ka. Waw fatha wow. Fa fatha fa. Gain fatha hey
Gain fatah ga.
ka. Gain fatha hey.
Ain fatah a.
Gain fatha a. Dwa
Zwa.
fatha
Zwa fatah.
dwa fatha
Zwa.
a.
Zwa fatah. Zwa.
Ha dwa fatha Wow.
Nice. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Good reading. Alhamdulillah. Good reading. MashaAllah. You are reading good. Okay. Hmm. You were sad before 1 minute before after looking this page. Now I think you happy.
Because I was like, because I guess I was gonna make a mistake on this too. Know that what it's supposed to do.
Okay, repeat it now, please. These similar sound letters. Practice the letters in the first row with letters in the second and third row that are different in pronunciation but have a similar sound. Hamza fatha a, ta fatha ta. Same. It's how many letters in this page? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, some letters. How on every letter? On every letter, what sign in all letters? All letters, top of the all letter, which sign coming?
Huh?
These letters, okay? Read it letters. First letter is
Alif, ba,
alif. Alif. First is
alif,
top of the alif, which sign?
fatah,
Fatha. Alif fatha a. Next one.
ba, fatah,
Hmm.
a,
Ta fatha ta.
ta, fatah, ta.
Next. Yawn time. Yawn time. Block your mouth. Okay. Yeah.
Good.
Entry is not okay.
Dal, dal, fatah,
Da.
za,
Da. Dal fatha da.
zal, fatah, za.
Good.
Hamza, fatah,
Ha. That's Hamza. No, that's ha. Ha fatha ha.
ha, fatah, ha.
Next.
Kaf, kaf, fatah, kaf.
Good.
Ain,
Ha.
no. I'm right here where Ain is. Ain. Oh, it was. I thought it was at Ain.
No, no, upper side. First raw. First raw,
Red
last
top,
letter. First raw, last letter.
Jim, Fatah, G.
No, no. Before that, which letter? Before Jim?
Which letters before Jim? Saf,
Can you looking my screen?
yes.
Start from the beginning again.
Alif, Fatah. No, but it shows Alif, Ba, Ta, Dal, Zal, Ha. It shows them like not in order.
Okay. You look and repeat complete all. On every letters, fatah coming. With fatah you will read now. Alif fatah a, ta fatah ta, sa fatah sa, dal fatah da, zal fatah za, ha fatah ha. In this style.
Okay. Wait, what's this? Yeah, it says Qurani Nasir screen. And it shows like a pencil. What's that?
Okay. Avoid from pencils. Repeats from the beginning now.
Um, which one? Okay, yeah. Alif, fatha, alif, fatha, alif. I mean, yeah.
Nice, good. Continue all letters.
Ba, fatha.
No. Ba, no. This page read. Look on the screen. This page.
Which, I don't see it.
You are not looking my screen.
I'm looking, but I can't see it. I'm
Wait.
looking.
Wait. Ba, no any ba in this lesson. Okay. No any ba. Only this letters repeat. Hurry up.
Like, which letters?
From the beginning. Go from the beginning. All.
From alif?
Yeah.
Alif, fatha, ba, fatha. Wait, there's a ba.
Yeah, no any ba. It's ta.
Ta, fatha, ta. Ta, fatha, ta. No, yeah. Ta, fatha, ta. Ta, fatha, ta. Ta, fatha, ta. Use this with ta.
Repeat all letters.
Alif, sa.
No, with fatha read.
Oh, okay. Alif, fatha, ba. I mean, ta, fatha,
Ta fatha ta.
ta,
Ta fatha ta.
ta.
Good.
Ta,
Okay. Ta fatha ta.
sa, fatha, sa.
Good.
Sa, fatha, sa.
Sa fatha sa. Next.
Dal, fatha, da.
Da.
I mean,
Dal fatha da.
zal, fatha,
Zal fatha za. Zal sound mixed in this. Zal fatha za. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.